Hello everyone, in front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 16 and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select Passwords and Accounts and click on Add Account. Now select Google and provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. Once it is entered, tap on Next and provide the password. Click on Next. Here you can go through Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, privacy policy, and if you do agree with all the above, just mark I agree. Now you can activate or deactivate backup however you like and tap on Accept. And as you can see, that's it, you've just added Google account. Once you want to remove it, just mark it and select Remove Account. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.